All right, welcome. Now we are going to look at afternoon greetings. You remember that in the previous lesson we were looking at morning greetings. So here we're just going to be throwing in words or vocabulary that is relevant to the time, but we're going to be retaining a lot of other vocabulary so that there's continuity. You can connect from one lesson to the next, and so some of the words that we use to refer to people and so forth are going to be recurring more and more. So again, even in afternoon greetings, we've got a formal way of greeting people and also an informal way of doing the same. All right? And so remember also the issue of plurality and singularity. Are you addressing one person or are you addressing more than one people? More than one person. So that will determine how you construct your greeting. So Utshone njani mama. Remember what we said in the morning? Uvuke njani. Ukuvuka is to wake up. Ukutshona is to spend the day. How did you spend your day, mother? And remember, umama in Ndebele does not only refer to your mother. It refers to every woman who can be your mother or who is a mother, even if they are not your mother. So when you say mama in Ndebele, you are respecting. Are we together? Okay? And the same applies to ubaba. Remember, this is baba. Baba. Utshone njani baba. It refers to either your father or any man who is of a childbearing age. Utshone njani bhuti. Bhuti is brother. Okay? In proper Ndebele, it will be mnewethu. Mnewethu, which is my brother. But there is also an informal way which is now used in, in ordinary speech. Ubhuti for brother and usisi. It's taken from sister, usisi. But the proper word would be udadewethu. Utshone njani dadewethu. But nowadays people just typically use some of these terms. Okay? So, Utshone njani. In Shona that would be maswera sei. Maswera sei amai. Maswera sei baba. Maswera sei mukoma. Maswera sei vakoma. Utshone njani mama. And then they respond, sichonile. Utshone njani mtanami. I'm well. How are you, my child? Okay? But remember we said sichonile means I've spent the day well. Okay? Sichonile. Utshone njani mtanami. Right? Ntshonile. Utshone njani bhuti. Ntshonile. Utshone njani sisi. Or if they are plural, litshone njani bo mama. You can now say litshone njani mama, because this li now suggests plurality, so you have to prefix with another plural marker. We're going to be dealing with that. Litshone njani bo mama, bo baba, bo gogo, bo bhuti, right? Or litshone njani vadala. Good afternoon, elders. All right? So this is how you greet in the afternoon, and also in the evening. You also use pretty much the same vocabulary. Practice, practice, practice.